Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable Hotspot. So to get started, open up your settings, navigate to mobile data, and select portable hotspot right over here. This will give you access to things like your password, which you can change right here. By default, it's just going to be randomly generated, so I do encourage you to change it. It does need to have 8 characters in length once you change it. Click on done and this will save it. And additionally, you can have maximize whatever that is. To actually see, and the performance may be reduced for the device connected. Okay, kind of weird. Maximize compatibility just in a way gives you a notification that can reduce bandwidth of network for devices that are using this. That's, I guess, if it doesn't work for you, you might want to enable this, which the downside of it is you might get slower internet, but the upside is you can actually connect to it. So I guess if everything works for you when it's turned off, don't enable it. So anyway, from here, select allows others to join, and that's about it. Now you can connect to it. It's basically turned on. So once you're done with it, you'll need to get back to the settings right here in order to turn it off. And I do encourage you to turn it off because otherwise it will be permanently on, and that will drain your battery a little bit quicker, which is kind of unnecessary if you're not really using it. So again, go back, toggle it off, and you're done. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.